The other day I was cutting the yard and got back home and my front tire was flat. On my big Cadet 50-inch. So what I had to do, I had to go ahead and take it off. This right here what holds it on. You need your 19 millimeter. And this is a 6-point wrench. To hold that nut. And then you're gonna need your 19 millimeter socket with the impact. That should do it. I've already got my jack. Put the jack stand on there so it won't fall. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this tire back on here. Take it to the used tire place and they were able to get it back on there because it almost came off the rim. So I had to take it down and put a little bit of air in it for me. Got it. So let it down a little bit. Alright, got her on there. I can go cut some more yards.